正在开始是吧？
正在开始。
好了，开始了。
好了。Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Yes. Today we will talk about the CNC beam drilling machine.
Yes.
Yes, for the work table moving the beam drilling machines. Because many customers ask us for the workpiece moving beam drilling machine. For this machine, how to do work or the feeding, how to in feeding or out feeding. So today we will clearly for the machine to introduce for this.
So today's subject is the feeding of the beam drilling machine.
Yes. So the firstly we will thanks or welcome our friends to our live show.
Yes, welcome to our live show today. Today we continue to talk about something about our machines.
Yes.
To let you know more before you choose and you do the order of the machine.
Yes. So we start for our today the production.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So today we will introduce for the beam drilling machine from 4 parts. The first one and the second one will be the important parts. And for the third and the last one we will introduce fastly.
Yes.
Yes.
So the first part is the production line introduction. Yes, the production line distribution.
Yes.
So first we let's see some pictures of how is a production line of our CNC beam drilling machines.
Yes, from here we can see the beam drilling machines with another machine. This for the two machines working together.
Yes.
Yes, for the working we will put the workpiece from here. Yes, this for the in feeding. Yes, for the beam drilling in feeding, and the workpiece will out feeding. Out feeding will we can see the workpiece have finished use this machine. Yes, and then the workpiece will from the lower shoot to another machine to working.
Yes.
Yes.
In this drawing, I see this maybe the band sewing machine.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Some factories use the beam drilling machine and the bandsaw machine together to finish the technical processing needs.
So the clients can do continuous work with drilling and sewing.
Yes.
And
this also the drawings like the first one.
Yes, another way to locate the production line.
Yes.
And
for the next we will show you the modify the device with beam drilling machine.
Yes.
From here we can see the 3 machines working together. Yes. From here in feeding and out feeding. From here have two groups the lower shoot. Yes. The workpiece will from left and will go to the right one. Yes, right side, and also use another machine to working.
Both the band sewing machine.
Yes.
So after the beam drilling machine, the 2 band sewing machine can do the works at the same time.
Yes.
To save time.
Yes, and also save the staff.
Yes.
Maybe only one staff can finish this work. And if you only have one machine and other machine from other place, so maybe need more staff. Yes. And we will show our customer plant.
Yes, this in our customer factory. Here is also a production line of the band sewing machine.
Yes.
And then the beam drilling machine.
Yes. From here we can see the in feeding and the out feeding.
Yes.
And for the drawings of the beam drilling machine we have talked about. And for the beam drilling machine, do you know what type for our factory have?
Yes, according to my knowledge, we have 3 types of beam drilling machine. The workbench mobile beam drilling machine, right? There are 3. First is the standard speed.
Yes.
And then the medium speed and the high speed.
Yes. So for the beam drilling machine in our factory, we have two types. The one type is for the gantry movable beam drilling machine. The second and the last one is the workpiece moving beam drilling machine. Yes, and for the gantry movable and the beam drilling and the workpiece beam drilling machine also have 3 speeds to choose. Yes, the first one is for the standard speed. In other words, maybe we also can call them the low speed. Yes,
it's a basic and
yes, basic.
low speed.
Yes, and for the speed only 180 to 560 RPM per minute. Yes, and for the second, the speed is for the medium speed. For the speed can up to 30 to 2000 RPM per minute. And for the high speed, do you know for the high speed?
Yes, the speed is 30 to 3000.
Yes, 3000 RPM per minute. So we have the 3 speed to choose. Also according to your technical needs or the cost. Yes.
So first, let's see how is the standard speed.
Yes, for the standard machine, and for the machines, the full tools.
Yes. And here is a work table. Here's the spindle. Yes,
spindle.
And the beam. This is the H beam. The beam enter here, and the spindle and do the drilling work.
Yes, do the drilling.
Yes. And here is the fitting.
Yes, for this the ruler fitting.
The ruler fitting.
Yes. And for the medium, the beam drilling machines.
Yes.
Also with the ruler fitting.
But the structures are different, right? To make different speed.
Yes, and for the high speed, we also can think of the box type. Yes, and for the drawings, will be more clear to see.
Yes.
And for the drawings.
So we can see this is the high level beam drilling machine.
Yes.
So it can do the works with high speed.
Yes. More efficiency.
Yes.
And for the spindle tools.
The tools.
Yes, the tools. And for the details of the box type. With this, the machine will be more stable. Yes, and for the staff, the life will be more safe.
Yes, and high accuracy.
Yes. And for the feeding, we can see the feeding.
Here
feeding. Yes.
And this is in the customer.
Yes,
factory.
in customer factory. For our engineer to installation and testing for them.
Yes.
And we can see the work table, the drilling head, and the horizontal the drilling head.
Yes.
Also in the customer plant.
Yes.
And from here we will to clearly to introduce for the beam drilling machine the feeding, how to work or how to choose.
So Iron, for the beam drilling machines, we also have 2 options like the band sawing machine.
Yes. For the feeding machines, we can also not see, but we can to talk about with the band saw machine. For the feeding, we also have 2 types to choose. The first one is for the trolley feeding. In other words, we also call the pincher feeding. Yes, and another feeding is for the ruler feeding. And for the ruler feeding, also have 2 choices. The PLC control. We also call the automatic the ruler feeding, and another also the manual feeding. Yes, controlled by the hydraulic. Yes.
So first let's see how is the trolley feeding convenient.
The trolley feeding we can see from here. The orange we also can see the yellow.
Yes.
Yellow color have the pincher, and from here we equipped with the transmitter device. So the workpiece will from here and collect with the device. Then the pincher or the trolley will controlled by the PLC, and we can put in or back.
To do the feeding.
Yes, to do the feeding. So the PLC controls the pincher to put in the put the workpiece in here and to do the work.
Yes.
So the pincher with the transmitter device.
So it is with high precision and
Yes, very high precision.
efficiency.
Yes, the accuracy and the efficiency will be more high than ruler feeding.
Yes, and here we have a video. Let's see
Yes.
how it works. The trolley feeding. It's a large video, so it's a little slow to open it. In this video, it isn't
the
orange
Pincher
coming in other color also.
Yes, in other color. For the red or orange or yellow or blue, we also can do.
Yes, we can offer as you required. So here the pincher come to the beam,
Yes.
the H beam to clip it.
Yes. The transmitter,
It's all automatic. Yes.
yes, automatic. So the so the cost maybe not cheap than compare with the ruler feeding.
Yes, because it has many advantages. So you can choose if you want to choose these advantages in your work.
Yes, and for the beam, the working piece, movable beam drilling machine. For the beam, the wide points. For our suggestion, cannot over 1,250 millimeter.
Yes. So if it's large than this web, we will recommend another type of
The gantry type will be more right to do this because the beam if the web the size
yes
over 1,250 will be more heavy. So the workpiece moving for workpiece moving beam drilling machine will be more
not stable.
Yes, unstable.
Yes. And let's see more pictures of that.
Yes, for the pincher from here is the orange one,
Yes.
and the last is the yellow one.
Yes.
So for the color, don't worry for this. If you any color requirements, you can contact us so we can do as you need.
Yes, and also if you want to put a logo in the machine,
Yes.
you also can contact us. Our factory can produce the machine as you required.
Yes, and from here we also can see more clear for the transmitter.
Yes.
Yes, the pincher will according the transmitter to do.
Yes.
Then from here to clapping the workpiece.
Yes.
Yes, from here we
So-
can see.
So it do the work with high accuracy. And
Yes.
Yes.
And if the workpiece heavy, maybe the size not over 1,250, but the how to say, if we choose the pincher or ruler, if the workpiece very heavy, so the ruler will be the better one. Yes.
So you see the ruler feeding. Yes.
Yes. For this trolley feeding, just compare to here.
Yes. I see.
Yes.
And this some pictures in the customer side of the pincher
Yes.
feeding.
For here, this is a ruler feeding.
This is the second option.
Yes, for the ruler feeding, equipped with the beam drilling machine, we also recommend the PLC control. Yes, we will be save more time and more staff to do the work.
Yes. Although the cost is higher, but it can give you the advantages that the manual or hydraulic that can't give you.
Yes, and for the ruler feeding, compare with the trolley feeding with the transmission device, right?
Yes.
Yes, but for the ruler feeding, not with the transmission device.
So
Yes, for the ruler feeding, it use the reducer box. Yes, with the reduced box, then the workpiece moving.
Yes. Way it works.
Yes, so the feeding wheel for the pincher or the ruler very different. Yes.
Yes, I can see. And here also a short video to see how is the ruler feeding
How to
works.
work.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So you can see it's only the ruler, not another transmission like the pincher feeding.
We can see again.
Yes.
Yes, for the ruler feeding, we can from the workpiece from here. Then the ruler will push in the workpiece, and for the ruler, use the reducer box. So the workpiece with the ruler moving together. Yes.
But in this way, after long time of use, the ruler may lose some accuracy. Right.
For the ruler, how to see? We can compare with the pincher to see together. And for the pincher have the transmission device, but for the ruler not have the transmission device. For the ruler have the reducer box, but for the pincher not have. This is the first one, the difference. And for the second one, the pincher we cannot with the more heavy workpiece. Because for the pincher to put the workpiece in beam drilling to drilling work, and for the ruler will cover more heavy than pincher. Yes, than the pincher one. So this is the second difference. And for the pincher will have the high accuracy and high efficiency compared with the ruler feeding. So this is the third one, the difference. And for the cost, we also can see the money. Yes, the pincher will be high than ruler.
Yes.
This is very clear.
Yes. So now we can see how is the difference between the two feeding ways.
Yes, but one need to clear. If the workpiece heavy, then we use the ruler feeding. And one need to pay attention if for the long time to use, the accuracy of the machine, the cover, the machine weight, will be lose little. Yes.
So we can see this clearly. We continue.
Yes. To finish.
Yes. Here also some pictures of the ruler feeding.
Yes.
So we can see this. This can be much higher than the pincher feeding, the H beams.
This also in the customer plans.
Yes, they do the training.
And from here is the outfeeding. Yes, and the outfeeding. Some factories outfeeding request to equip with the lower chute.
Yes, like we see in the first part.
Yes, from here is the lower chute. And for one machine, for the lower truth, four will is a group. Yes, and for machine, we just talk about the drawings like we start.
Yes.
The one beam drilling machine equipped with two left and
Right.
side. Also, each side have the machines and will have two groups.
Yes. I see.
So if customers or friends need the lower truth, maybe one group is enough to do work. And if also have other machines, maybe two group is enough.
Yes, you can choose also as the demand of your factory production.
Yes.
So that's
So next, we will see the drilling height, the drilling work. For the speed, we have the different speed we have talked about. Have three speed, and maybe we can see the videos to learn how to drilling.
Yes. Let's see how the machine doing the drilling works.
We can see the clapping. From here to clapping the beam,
Yes.
to clapping fix the beam, and then to work will be more stable and the accuracy will be more high.
Yes. And here,
The drilling
yes, we can see three.
drilling height from each height,
each side.
each side will have one drilling height and also have one work table height, drilling height.
Yes. So it can do the works in the three sides.
Yes. For the beam, for the flange also have.
Yes. And we can also see some water here to do the cooling.
Yes, because for the drilling machine to work, if not the drilling, the tools will be easy to broken. Yes, maybe how to say, maybe the drilling not have the accuracy, but important thing, the tools will be more easy to broken. So have the cooling system will be more safe for the tools.
Yes,
and
to protect long lifetime.
Yes, and for the workpiece, the core will be have more accuracy.
Yes. So it is very important.
For the cooling system, we also have two tools. From this have the cooling head in our drilling head, the central.
The central.
Yes, maybe this is the drilling head and the cooling will have
from the drilling head.
Yes, inside. And another equipped with other side.
So you can also choose as you require.
We can see the cooling head, the cooling with the drilling together.
Inside.
Yes. You can see the cooling.
Yes.
And for the beam also have
another video to how to do the works.
We can see the clapping to work.
Yes.
To collect the beam.
Yes.
Then the drilling. We can see this for the cooling head and the
drilling head.
Yes. Working together.
Yes. So to ensure the long lifetime and also the accuracy and the efficiency of the drilling works.
Yes.
And after do the works, the workpiece go out from the outfit.
Yes. This our machine in customer plants.
Yes.
Yes, for the machine is for the box beam, the high speed.
And also we can see it's ruler feeding.
Yes, and for the beam.
Our drilling machine, beam drilling machine, can not also do the drilling in H beam and also other skills like
For the beam drilling machines, why we call this the drilling machine for beam is for the H beam, mostly for the H beam. But if you have the U beam or the C beam, also can do just for the clipping. Yes, but for the angle, we'll have another machine to do work, to do drilling.
Yes. So it's mainly for beam drilling, but also
Yes,
for other.
for the beam drilling machine, mostly used for the steel structure industry to do the building or other using, but mostly for the steel structure industry.
Yes.
This for the beam, we can see the web and the flange.
Yes. And
According to the web, the size
yes.
to choose for boundary or for the workpiece moving.
Yes. The workpiece moving also can call here the workbench mobile, right?
Yes, because the workpiece moving together with the work table also according also can code work table or workbench moving.
Yes, the same machine is the two names, so our friend can understand that
Yes.
it's the same machine.
Also in the customer side.
Yes.
And for today we will introduce for the beam drilling.
Yes.
For the how to choose out the beam drilling.
Yes. Also the
according to the websites to choose boundary type or workpiece moving type.
Yes.
And the second we also introduce for our the feeding.
Yes.
Yes, according to our the feeding width, you can choose the high speed or the medium speed or the
standard.
Standard, and also can choose equip with one machine or two machines.
Yes.
To meet your technical needs.
So if you have any question or you need more information, you also can contact us. So
Yes.
we can offer you more information about different models of our beam drilling machines.
Yes, for the beam drilling machines, we have lost the photos or the videos and the catalogs.
Yes.
And if you any needs, you can contact us so that we can know your needs or what machine you need, so we can provide our right machine to you.
Yes. So thank you for to look our live show today. And any question, please contact with our company, and our college will contact with you soon.
Yes. See you next.
Bye.
Bye bye.
有没有人管我们？我们自己关。
5分钟。
我们应该开始走，我们好像20